Iguis.
Back again with another find. I've got something super exciting. This best carbon fiber external is a total game changer. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First, the look of this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous, sleek, stylish, and very premium. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. But here's the best part. The price. Affordable doesn't even begin to describe it. It's an amazing value. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's also incredibly versatile. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this is made for you. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch. This offer won't last forever. Click the link below and secure the best possible price. Follow for more cool updates. See you soon.